That is integrity.
Oh, you have integrity. Oh, you have well. You have a family to feel like the whole rest of the game of see my prof. Because Mary tired to be my master. And this is my mother-in-law. We are changing case. Abono, he can have a mother-in-law. I don't want to have what you're fooling. Watching him, I will. I can the Enugu women in politics. They praise Master Jesus. And I didn't know what to put in the lady. Praise Master Jesus.
We are going to give you a very cool high love message.
No. Enugu State PDP women. What to act on the junction? People you want to do Resident of Abaka. They have to be I'm on the seas. Political Science Department. Because my prof. Good morning. Okwaka game. On that when they not like you make a sugar daddy. Jesus. One thing was on the branch. I now be on the channel Sunday. Next Sunday. Akuna man's phone was.
That's a phone to get older. That's a phone to get older.
Classmate political science 2005. You know what? I can remember. 2005. Monday gave me political science. Came walk together. That's around getting a career. Yeah. Shall not be able to know now. My name,